Abim ka na, bro, ha?
Sir, pasok, sir.
Abim ka na, breakwater, hard port.
Roger, sir. Abim na breakwater, sir.
Dead slow ahead. Oh, hard port mo nga. Stop engine. Stop engine.
Boom, sir. Bollard number 4.
Okay, bollard number 4. Hard starboard.
Dulo ng breakwater, starboard side.
Okay. Hard starboard. Hard starboard, oh. Good morning sa lahat. Manyobrada naman tayo.
Boom, sir. Bollard 5.
Okay, bollard 5. Oh. Focus lang muna tayo kasi wala tayong tugboat tapos walang nag-assist. Wala si Benji, pilot boat. Kaya focus lang tayo sa manyobrada.
Boom, sir. Bollard 6.
Okay, hard starboard. Thank you. Pero standby tayo mo open break, ha.
Roger, sir. Standing by, sir.
Ano na ngayon dyan, bullard mo po pa?
11, sir.
Okay. Pro, area ka din na, pro, ha.
Area kadena.
Okay.
Yes, sir. First number, sir.
Okay. Open break nyo lang, ha.
Roger, sir. Still in open break.
Okay.
20 nante 11.
Okay. Hard port. Okay. 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 Dead slow ahead. Dead slow ahead. Oh. Stop engine. Hard starboard. Dead slow astern.
Open break, sir.
Okay, open brake nyo lang, ha. Hard starboard, ha. Oh. Okay. Okay.
Chap, anong unahin kong pambigay? Spring line o third line?
Spring, yung spring. Stop engine. Hard starboard. Yan. Okay. Pag maabot na, tapon nyo po pa. Dead slow ahead. Hard starboard, ha. Oh. May
Yes, sir. Sinding spring.
Okay, open brake nyo lang kanina, pro, ha.
Roger, sir. Naka-open break.
Stop thrust. Stop engine.
Sinding spring.